Apple's found a new way to charge idiot tax. Let's talk about it. One of the biggest complaints a lot of people have about Apple is the whole right to repair thing. Trust me, I've had my fair share of Apple hate moments, and maybe the right to repair thing is something that should be talked about and all that kind of stuff. I mean, listen to Louis Rossman, any random 19-year-old Android simp on why they hate Apple. 9 out of 10 will likely say, right to repair, man, they won't let us fix our own stuff even though we paid a bunch of money for it. As if A, Apple is forcing people to buy their stuff, or B, not making it clear what their repair policies are when you purchase said Apple device. But Apple just threw a big double bird in the faces of the folks who think their inalienable rights have been violated because Apple wants people to get their devices fixed by people who know what they're doing. Apple has announced now Apple Self-Service Repair, a program that will allow every Joe Blow out there who owns an Apple device that gets borked to clear off a space on the dining room table and fix the damn thing him or herself, or at least that's starting with the iPhone 12 and 13 lines. Apple is going to allow the unwashed, the unprepared, the uncertified to buy parts, have them shipped to them, screens, batteries, camera, and more to come, and get them themselves. Even M1 Max soon. Thank you, Apple, for allowing us the freedom to further screw up our devices so 90% of anyone who attempts any home repair will have to soon slink to the nearest Apple store or certified provider of Apple Care, emphasis on certified, and pay more to get the thing fixed for what was wrong in the first place and whatever they screwed up while they were trying to fix the first thing. Apple's just doubled, maybe tripled the revenue from their repair business by first selling the parts to the consumer, collecting the money, and then getting money when they have to fix it themselves because, yeah. Well, anyway, this is a careful what you wish for kind of situation. All you have to do is watch an iFixit teardown and pay attention to their difficulty ratings on repairs, or watch an episode of Jerry Rig Everything to understand exactly how intricate and detailed these things are, and they're, you know, probably not user serviceable. Maybe by some people, but probably not by most. I won't even go into the fact that there's Apple Care Plus, literally the only extended warranty that I'll buy, and it's available for just a few dollars per month on iPhones and other smaller devices. And Apple Care Plus covers just about any repair you would need for the lifetime of the warranty, which, if I'm recalling correctly, is about 3 years. I've never really understood the big hullabaloo about right to repair when it comes to highly engineered devices like iPhones. There are so many things in my life that I would not try to fix, and I've fixed a lot of stuff. Right to repair as a concept is fine. I get it. Totally get it. American exceptionalism, all that kind of stuff. But right to repair, when there's a very good chance you're going to mess up whatever you're trying to repair worse than it was before you started to try and repair it, it's kind of foolish. Apple, at any rate, finally gave us what we wished for. We can repair our busted iPhones and soon computers and everything else, and Apple's going to be laughing all the way to the bank. I don't know about you, but I kind of like this new let them eat cake Apple. Not only are they giving the customer what they're asking for, but they're also giving the customer just enough rope to hang themselves. Tell you what, my iPhone 12 Pro that I got last year to review has had a busted screen for a while. I was just using it as a secondary camera. It got a busted screen. As soon as these screens are available to order, I'll buy one and I'll get it here and I'll film myself trying to fix it and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I've done a fair amount of repairs of electronics and I can change my own oil and all those kinds of things. So what could go wrong, right? What do you think about this whole new Apple self-service thing? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's gonna blow up in a lot of people's faces, sort of demanding that certified people work on their devices so that they could be sure that they were giving quality customer service to their customers? Or did you want to be able to tinker on your dining room table all by yourself just because? Let me know down in the comments below. We'll have a boisterous discussion, I'm sure. If this was your first time here and you want to come back again, like, subscribe, bell notify yourself so that, you know, maybe YouTube will tell you there's a new video. And if you're already a part of the Painfully Honest Tech Wizard Squad, thank you ever so much for coming back again. There's all kinds of stuff down in the description below, links to different kinds of things that you might be interested in. If you want to hear music from me, I have a channel where you can do that. It's linked down below.
I'm your huckleberry.
There's going to be a card for another video that you might like to watch popping up over here that you can just go ahead and click on right now and not listen to the rest of my rambling. Anyway, once again, thanks so much for being here. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech, so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out. Did you have a problem before with Apple?